Hey there, I'm Kyle, and this is Sur, my Baja street dog, turned full-time adventure buddy. After separating from the Army in early 2023, I hit the road full-time in my 2023 Subaru Outback Wilderness, towing my 2022 Taxa Outdoors Cricket, chasing epic views, unforgettable experiences, and the freedom of nomadic life. Now, welcome to Season 3 of That Guy Outdoors. From rugged trails to hidden gems, from campfires to unexpected detours, this is real, raw, and unscripted adventure. If you're all about life on the road, exploring the wild, and seeing where the next turn takes us, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this week's episode. Just north of Lake Havasu City, tucked away off Highway 95, is Craggy Wash, one of the best boondocking spots in the area. This rugged stretch of BLM land offers wide open desert views, towering rock formations, and plenty of space to spread out. Whether you're here for the off-grid camping, hiking rocky trails, or just soaking in a classic Arizona sunset, Craggy Wash is a perfect spot for any traveler. Plus, with town just minutes away, you get the best of both worlds. Remote solitude with easy access to supplies. If you're rolling through Lake Havasu, this is definitely a spot to check out. And besides, it's That Guy Outdoors approved.
Be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight? Call you mine, think about you every time. I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument. So I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah.
Right along the Arizona-New Mexico border, just south of I-10, sits a hidden gem for nomads and overlanders. This peaceful stretch of desert offers epic mountain views, wide open skies, and some seriously unforgettable sunsets. It's the perfect stopover for anyone traveling east or west, far enough from the highway for solitude, but close enough for convenience. Whether you're rolling in for a quick overnight or settling in for a few days off-grid, this spot is all about that classic Southwest freedom. And hey, it's also That Guy Outdoors approved. Well, good morning, everyone. We're back to it. Coffee and a walk. Sur's running up there. You know, and right back there is the Cricket and Mike getting ready to, uh-oh. Sir, come. He's off leash, so he's chasing birds. Anyways, just out. Currently sitting on the border of Arizona and New Mexico. That's right, we're heading back east. So yeah, I mean, this is a familiar spot. If you go back sometime last year, we were out here in this same area. It's kind of interesting, and we're going to be at another familiar area. We are headed to White Sands National Park today. So yeah, we're going to go over there. We're going to check it out again. Hey, you know what? Sometimes you can't see it enough. I kind of am ready to go back, do that, hit a reset. We haven't totally figured out what's next. Eventually, I'll be making it all the way to the East Coast. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy my walk this morning. We're taking a couple mile walk and then getting back to the car and starting to drive. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Cheers. Well, hey everyone. So last night we were at White Sands National Park. If you guys got to see and enjoy the live that Mike and Sur and I all did from out of White Sands, it was supposed to be sunset and dinner. We packed everything up, left the Mike's truck camper and left the Cricket at where we were set up at Dog Canyon, and we loaded the car up with all the food and stuff to go in and cook dinner. I might have forgot to put the stove in the car. See, what happened is I thought it was already in the red container back there, and apparently it was in my red container in the back of the Cricket. So we got there, Mike was chopping potatoes, and I realized that I didn't have the stove. So we shifted gears, we just decided to hang out, have some chips and salsa, enjoy the sunset, and then we went back to our rigs and made dinner. Anyways, Mike left this morning as he is on his way to Michigan to get the rest of his gear ready, as he is starting to thru hike in late March, thru hike the Appalachian Trail. Currently, I am on my way back east back to Nashville area. Just going back to visit some friends, say hi, and fly to New York for another day of class. So we'll be making another trip to New York City, and I've got some good friends back in Nashville that will keep serving. Today, we are driving, I don't know where, somewhere in Texas. I think it's Big Springs, Texas. So there's a little campground there. I think you can do, it's got 6 camp spots. You can do 3 days. It's a free stay. So we're gonna go check that out. Anyways, we're gonna keep driving. We're gonna turn our tunes on. You see, Sir's in his normal spot there, just kind of resting his head, enjoying his ride. We're gonna turn some tunes up. We're gonna enjoy our drive, and we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Cheers. And that's a wrap on this adventure. Huge thanks for coming along for the ride. If you enjoyed the journey, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Got a favorite moment from today's episode? Let me know in the comments. And if you're out on the road and want to meet up along the journey, drop a comment. I'm always down to share a campfire and good conversation. Until next time, keep exploring, stay wild, and stay weird. As always, be kind, do good, and leave no trace. See you out there.